Welcome to the realm of digital health and wellness companions, where your smartphone becomes a potent tool for transforming lifestyles and sculpting healthier habits. In the bustling landscape of weight loss and health tracking apps, two prominent contenders stand tall: Mynetdiary and Noom. These apps aren't just about tracking calories or logging workouts. They're your virtual mentors, guiding you through the labyrinth of nutrition, fitness, and well-being. But amid this abundance, how do these giants fare? Join us on this quest as we dissect Mynetdiary and Noom, delving into their features, effectiveness, and the personalized touch they offer. Whether you're a tech-savvy enthusiast or a curious newcomer to the world of health apps, this comparison will help you navigate the maze and find the perfect digital ally in your journey toward a fitter, healthier you. Make sure to stay until the end to find out the true verdict, and remember, at Beyond Living, we provide the best information and actionable and functional instructionals for all facets of healthy living, vitality, and fitness. Like, comment, and subscribe, as it greatly helps the channel. So let's try and get an understanding. Mynetdiary and Noom. Exploring two health app titans. Mynetdiary, your personal health tracker. Mynetdiary, a comprehensive health app, isn't just about counting calories. It's a multifaceted tool designed to track nutrition, exercise, and weight management seamlessly. Its user-friendly interface simplifies meal logging with an extensive food database, making it easy to monitor intake. The app offers insights into macronutrients, micronutrients, and customizable goals, providing a detailed overview of your nutritional intake. While it lacks direct coaching, its focus on data tracking caters to users seeking precision in their health management. Noom, a behavioral change pioneer. In the Noom corner, it's not just about numbers, but about behavioral psychology. Noom takes a unique approach, blending technology with human coaching to address the psychological aspects of weight loss. Its emphasis on cognitive behavioral strategies and personalized coaching aims to instill sustainable habits and mindset shifts. Noom's interactive platform fosters engagement, offering users support groups and educational content, creating a sense of community vital for motivation and accountability. Both apps cater to distinct needs. Mynetdiary excels in data-centric tracking, while Noom stands out for its holistic approach encompassing psychology and coaching. Understanding their distinct philosophies and functionalities is key to selecting the right ally on your health and fitness journey. Whether you prefer data-driven precision or crave behavioral guidance, these apps hold the potential to transform your relationship with health and well-being. Features: comparison, unveiling the tools. Tracking capabilities. Mynetdiary vs. Noom. Mynetdiary boasts a robust database, simplifying meal logging with calorie and nutrient breakdowns. It offers precise tracking for nutrition, exercise, and weight goals, providing comprehensive insights into daily consumption. In contrast, Noom employs a different approach, focusing on behavioral change. Its tracking features are more qualitative, guiding users through interactive quizzes and challenges while gradually fostering healthier habits. Coaching and support. Personalized versus behavioral guidance. Mynetdiary primarily centers on data tracking, lacking direct coaching. Conversely, Noom integrates behavioral psychology and human coaching, offering personalized guidance to address underlying behaviors impacting weight and health. Its support system includes goals specialists and peer groups, fostering accountability and motivation. Educational content, data insights versus cognitive learning. Mynetdiary excels in data-driven insights, providing nutritional breakdowns and reports. On the other hand, Noom delves into cognitive learning, offering articles, quizzes, and challenges focusing on mindset shifts and behavioral changes. Understanding the distinct strengths of each app aids in aligning their features with individual preferences and goals. Whether you lean towards precise data tracking or seek behavioral coaching for sustainable habits, both Mynetdiary and Noom present compelling tools for your health journey. Now let's discuss effectiveness and user experience with real insights. User reviews, unveiling experiences. Mynetdiary users appreciate its data-driven approach, praising its extensive database and accuracy in tracking. However, some desire more interactive features or coaching elements to complement its robust tracking capabilities. Noom garners praise for its holistic approach and coaching, credited for instilling lasting habits. Users value its behavioral strategies, with many highlighting improved mindfulness and lifestyle changes. Yet a few users seek more detailed tracking options akin to Mynetdiary. App usability. Navigating the interface. Mynetdiary's straightforward interface appeals to users seeking precision and quick data entry. Conversely, noom's engaging layout, featuring interactive content and coaching, resonates with those craving a more holistic, educational experience. Both apps exhibit strengths in different domains. Mynetdiary excels in precise tracking, ideal for data enthusiasts, while noom's behavioral coaching shines for those seeking deeper insights into habits and mindset. When choosing between these apps, consider your preference for data precision versus behavioral guidance. Your experience may hinge on the balance between meticulous tracking and the transformative potential of behavioral psychology offered by each platform. Let's discuss pricing and subscription models. Assessing value. Mynetdiary and Noom offer subscription plans, each with varying features and pricing tiers. While Mynetdiary presents affordable options with comprehensive tracking, Noom's pricing might be higher due to its personalized coaching and behavioral approach. Consider exploring trial periods or free versions to gauge suitability before committing to a subscription. Understanding the value each platform offers for its price can aid in making an informed decision aligned with your budget and health goals. Let's do a comprehensive pros and cons analysis, weighing the attributes. Mynetdiary, the ups and downs, pros. Mynetdiary excels in precise data tracking, ideal for individuals seeking detailed nutritional insights. Its extensive food database and straightforward interface simplify meal logging, offering a wealth of data for meticulous users. Cons. However, Mynetdiary lacks direct coaching or behavioral support, potentially leaving users desiring more guidance and interactive features to complement its robust tracking. Noom. Strengths and weaknesses. Pros. Noom's holistic approach, combining behavioral psychology with coaching, resonates with those seeking mindset shifts and lasting habit changes. Its interactive content, personalized coaching, and support groups foster an immersive experience. Cons. On the flip side, some users may find Noom's tracking less comprehensive compared to Mynetdiary, wishing for more detailed data analysis and tracking functionalities. Making the choice. Choosing between Mynetdiary and Noom hinges on personal preferences. If you prioritize precise data tracking and a straightforward interface, Mynetdiary might suit your needs. Conversely, if you crave holistic guidance, behavioral coaching, and a more immersive experience, Noom might be your ally. Consider your inclination toward data-driven precision versus behavioral guidance. Each app's strengths cater to distinct preferences and goals. Ultimately, the best choice aligns with your lifestyle, preferences, and the approach that resonates most profoundly with your health and wellness journey. In the arena of Mynetdiary versus Noom, the battle of health and wellness apps unfolds with distinct virtues and appeals. Mynetdiary champions precision, offering meticulous data tracking and straightforward usability, a haven for data enthusiasts. Meanwhile, Noom emerges as a behavioral pioneer, empowering users with transformative coaching, educational content, and a community-driven approach, nurturing holistic lifestyle changes. As you navigate this comparison, remember, the ideal choice hinges on your preferences, whether it's precise data insights or profound behavioral shifts that resonate most deeply with your health aspirations. Explore, experiment, and embrace the digital companionship that aligns seamlessly with your journey toward a fitter, healthier, and happier you. The power to transform lies within your choice, guiding you on a path toward your wellness summit.